Motivation is an extremely important part of learning. If your child is motivated to learn and speak your language, you're already halfway there. Here are 5 tips to keep your child motivated. Number 1. Make speaking your language with your child a solid habit. This makes it easier to keep it going once your child starts to spend more time immersed in a different language at nursery or school. Number 2. Learning by play is incredibly effective with children. Think about what your child likes and integrate that into the language activities. Talk about their hobbies. Play pretend games with their favorite toys. Let them choose the learning materials. The possibilities are endless. Number 3. Find a need for your child to speak your language. Make sure they have a real reason to learn it. Communicating with their grandparents, talking to people in the community who speak the same language, or visiting a country where it is spoken. It will remind your child of the value of the language. Number 4. Praise and encourage your child. Don't be shy on positive comments. When they say something in your language, show them that you're impressed and proud. It will make them feel confident. Number 5. If you decide to teach your child to read and write in your language, focus on regularity rather than quantity. Divide the activities into short, manageable chunks. It's better to practice for 10 minutes a few times a week than to work for hours on end. For more advice and ideas, download the Peach Guide for Bilingual Children. And remember, no matter how the bilingual journey unfolds, be proud of every step.